Hi guys, welcome to my cooking channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cook red lentil and chickpea curry. So here I have taken half cup of red lentil which is washed nicely. I also have half cup of chickpea which is pressure cooked with salt and water. I also have here two green chilies, one big clove of garlic finely chopped, and 1 teaspoon of ginger finely chopped. Then I have here half medium size onion finely chopped and one medium size tomato finely chopped. Then I have here turmeric powder, chili powder, and coriander powder. So let's start cooking, guys. So here in a pan I have taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to add ginger, garlic and chili. Just saute for 30 seconds. And now into this I'm going to add onions. And I'm just going to cook this for minute or two until the onions are slightly cooked, and then we are going to add tomatoes. Now into the onions I'm going to add tomatoes. Into this, I'm going to add all our spices. So because I have already added two big finely chopped chilies, so I'm not going to add more chili powder. So here I have added 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and also half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to let this cook for 1 minute before we add our lentils. So after the onions and tomatoes are cooked, here goes our lentils. You can add the water as per the consistency you want. And the chickpeas as well. And now we are going to let this cook until the red lentils are tender. So I think this should take at least 5 to 10 minutes to cook. So we'll come back and check this after 5 minutes. So lentils have almost cooked half. It has started to break. So we still need to cook for another 5 minutes, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water. I'm just going to cook for another 5 minutes, and you can always close the lid of the pan so that the lentils will cook faster. So let's check back this after 5 minutes. So here this is after 5 minutes. I think you can see that the lentils have nicely cooked and it is nice and tender. And if you want, you can always adjust the water as needed. I think I would like this consistency, so I'm not going to add more water. And once it is done, it is still going to keep cooking until the lentil or the curry is hot. So I'm not going to add more water. So here guys, this is the chickpea and the red lentil curry is ready to serve, and it's really very easy, very simple, and most importantly very healthy. So please try this at home. Thank you so much. So here your red lentil and chickpea curry is ready. You can either have it with naan bread or rice. So try this and let me know in the comment section how it turned out and if you liked it. And if you really like it, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.